Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Review Program. So far, we have completed 2 lessons in review program. Lesson 2, Components of Food, and Lesson 3, Fiber to Fabric. Many of you completed and I checked and replied to your mail. Today we are going to write Lesson 9, Living Organism Characteristics and Habitat. Already while teaching the lesson, I asked you to complete the book exercise. Few questions I asked you to complete in book exercise and few extra questions I have given in the homework note. Okay, let us check the answer later. Now take your classwork note. Okay, already you are writing in the classwork, right? Take that note, take new page, write the lesson heading. Lesson 9, Living Organism Characteristics and Habitat. Use black stick pen to write in the first blue line. Okay, Lesson 9, Living Organism Characteristics and Habitat. Now we are going to write few definitions. Okay, just I'll say the headings. Definition headings I'll say. You can see the video and write all the content from the video. Habitat, adaptation, terrestrial habitat, aquatic habitat, biotic components, abiotic components, acclimatization, transpiration. So these are all the headings, definitions we are going to write in your classwork note. Okay, see the video and write all the content clearly without any mistakes. Next, we are going to write adaptation in terrestrial habitat. Use black stick pen to write the heading. First, adaptation in camel. Use black stick pen to write the heading, adaptation in camel. See, I have given the adaptations, okay, in point wise. Use blue pen to write all these points in your classwork note. 5 points I have given. Write these 5 points in your classwork note. Okay, just for your reference, you keep it with you. You can read the content, understand, and try to write in your own words. Okay, no need to mug up or search what I have given in the classwork note. Okay, then next, adaptation in desert plants. So see the content, I have given many points, right? 4 points I have given. So write these 4 points in your classwork note. Next, adaptation in mountain region. I have given 3 points. Write these 3 points in your classwork note. Don't forget to use black stick pen to write the heading, blue pen to write the content. Then adaptation of animals in mountain region, only 2 points I have given, write the 2 points. Already I asked you to write adaptation of animals in grasslands, about lion and deer, right? While teaching the lesson, I asked you to write in your homework note. I hope you have written. Those who didn't write, no problem, just refer to page number 85. Okay, read there, they have given the adaptation of lion and deer. Okay, no need to write in the classwork note. Just for your reference, I am saying. Then adaptation of plants to live in water. 3 types of aquatic plants are there. Floating plants, fixed plants, and underwater plants. I didn't give adaptation for each and every types. Just common adaptation I have given. Just go through the common adaptation. I have given 3 points. Okay, you can copy down in the classwork note. Next, adaptation of animals lives in water. So here I have given 5 points. Okay, and animals lives in water. Just see the video and write the content. Then characteristics of living organism. I have given the characteristics of living organism. 7 characteristics are there. Only heading alone I have given. Okay, just based on this heading, if they ask you to write in detail in exam, then you should refer to your book from page number 88. 88, 89, 90, 91. About characteristics of living organism, they have given in detail. Just here in the classwork note, we are writing only the headings. They ask you to write in detail for 5 mark, then you should write in detail. You should refer to the page. Okay, read the book properly and you should answer it. Understood? That's all, the classwork gets over. Now take book exercise. Let us check the answer in book. Okay, take pencil. First question, take page number 93. First question, what is habitat? So already you have written the natural surroundings where a living organism lives. Okay, this is my answer. You can write in your own words. No need to copy as such what I have written. Okay, you can write in your own words. You can write near the space in that question itself. Use pencil to write. Then second question, how are cactus adapted to survive in a desert? This question already you have written about the adaptation of desert plants in your classwork note. So you can write the same adaptation for this. So you can write refer CW. No need to write all the points here. Just write refer CW. Then third question, fill up the presence of specific features which enable a plant or animal to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. Then B, the habitat of plants and animals that live on land or called terrestrial habitat. The habitat of plants and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitat. Soil, water and air are the abiotic factors of habitat. Changes in our surroundings that make us respond to them are called stimuli. Okay, so just check the answer for filling the blanks. I have given the answer. Use pencil to write. Fourth one, which of the things in the following list are non-living? So here you need to circle the non-living thing. Use pencil to circle the non-living thing. Plow, mushroom, sewing machine, radio, boat. So these are all non-living things. Water hyacinth and earthworm are living thing. So circle this non-living thing alone. Use pencil to circle. Then fifth one, give an example of a non-living thing which shows any two characteristics of living thing. Can you understand the question? It should be a non-living thing, but it should show two characteristics of living thing. You can refer page number 92, second paragraph. Okay, read that and you itself can find answer and you can give your own answer. Otherwise, see the video. I have given the answer. Example, clouds. It grows in size. It shows movement. Okay. Then sixth question. Which of the non-living things listed below were once part of a living thing? Can you understand this question? Okay. It is a non-living thing, but we have taken from the living thing. Okay, that answer you should circle. Butter, leather, wool, cooking oil, apple, rubber. These are all non-living things but taken from a part of living thing. Okay, so you should circle this answer. Use pencil to circle the answer. Okay. Next, seventh question, list the common characteristics of the living thing. Already the common characteristics we have written in the classwork note. So no need to write here, just write refer CW. Use pencil to write. Near that seventh question itself, write refer CW. Then eighth question, explain why speed is important for survival in the grassland for animals that live there. For this question, you can use the empty space in page number 94. Okay, use empty space in page number 94 and write the answer. Speed is important for survival in the grasslands for animals to escape from predators. For example, tiger eats deer. To survive, deer has to run faster than the tiger. Understood, children? So how to write? Okay, use a empty space to write the answer because answer is little big, right? For fifth question also you can write down in the same page itself. In page number 93 down you are having empty space, right? You can use that space itself to write question number 5. So question number 5 and question number 8 can be written in the book itself. Use empty space. Okay, and write the answer. Can you understand? I hope it's clear. Okay, try to complete it and send it through mail edustar.6@gmail.com. We are having list with us and we are checking, we are replying to your mail. So complete it and don't forget to send mail. Thank you. Bye.